My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm is a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're continuing our video series designed to educate the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Today I want to talk about something that's a little bit sort of amorphous. It's kind of something that's a little hard to grab a hold of. It's not a concrete issue. It's how do you deal with an ex who plays the victim. Now, the reason why this isn't as concrete as some other issues, because it's very hard to tell whether or not this is even in play. Oftentimes, though, while it won't be evident to attorneys and even to the court, it might well be evident to you because you have lived with this person for so long. And here's why it becomes important. A person can spend their whole life acting like they're the victim, like poor them, woe is them, or woe is me, I'm a victim, everybody's persecuting, blah, blah, blah. The problem is that if somebody is like that and they can, on a short-term basis, persuade the court that they are entitled to some level of sympathy, this could impact your rights. So if you're dealing with an ex who has a history of playing the victim, I think it's important to, number one, recognize the signs of that and begin to document it. Begin to document it because certain things that they may say or do to display their being the victim might show up and might reflect itself before the court. So you need to let your lawyer know about that. Watch out for these signs. Watch out where he or she says this or looks this way or that way. It might be a clue that you can give your lawyer as your lawyer is taking the deposition of your ex. It might be something that they can watch out for in the context of hearings, how that victimization may be used to manipulate the court into thinking that this person is a victim and entitled to some level of sympathy when in fact it's not true. Boundaries have to be set when a person starts acting this way, and it has to be met head on. It has to be approached like, are you saying that you've been victimized? And that kind of thing will either result in a yes or a no. If it results in a no, then that makes it easy to move on from that topic. If it results in a yes, then you can show the court, hey, this person sees themselves as a victim, which is why there's this whole woe is me thing going on, which really is about taking the proceedings and making them about your ex rather than making them, for example, about the children. It's a way to distract the court into not looking at what's fair and what's equitable, but rather where the sympathy lies. And while the court always takes certain humanistic elements into account, the court cannot be manipulated by victims. If you think that's going on in your case, of course, reach out and we'll be glad to discuss it with you and help you out.